How to change where files are saved with Raster Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or Raster Image Printer, by default, your image printer will save all output files to your last used folder location or your My Documents folder. With version 12 of Peernet's image printers, you can change this to any desired folder on your desktop in the profile. This is particularly relevant if you have disabled prompting for the Save As dialog after each print. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile, color optimized TIFF, because I still want to create a color, multi-paged TIFF image. I just want to change the default output location. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Demo Profile and add "and save to sales" to the description. On the Save Options tab, under Output Location, you will see a field called Output Folder, where you can designate the default output location. When this field is blank, your image printer uses your last used folder or your My Documents folder as the default output location. Select the file icon and browse to your desired output location. You can also type in your output location. If the folder does not exist, you will see the following warning message. You have the option to select the red folder icon to create this new folder on your desktop, or you can choose another location. Please note that any changes you make to the output location on the Save Options tab will automatically be copied over to the File Name Creator tab, and vice versa. As mentioned at the start of the video, if you are interested in changing the default output location, you may wish to adjust your prompting settings so that you will not be prompted with the Save As dialog each time you print. In addition, you also have the option to set the base file name. Keep in mind, if you specify the base file name in the profile and you've disabled prompting and selected Always overwrite the existing files, each print will overwrite the previous file. Leave this field blank to use the file name from the file you are printing. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when you print to your image printer, your images will automatically default to saving in your desired output location. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.